Okay, bold claim 2 plus 2 equals 5. I know, your math teacher just got heartburn. But hang on. I'm not saying arithmetic broke. I'm asking a trickier question. What happens when we mess with the labels we use to describe reality? Let me start with something you've probably seen. Some buildings skip the 4th floor. The elevator goes 3, 5, 6. Because 4 is considered unlucky. If I say there is no official 4 here, what does that do to your sense of counting? On the panel, 2 plus 2 floors ahead lands you on the button marked 5. Did the math change, or did the labels change? Numbers are ideas. Symbols are choices. In pure math, we define rules, axioms, and follow them wherever they lead. Within standard arithmetic, 2 plus 2 are 4 is ironclad. But if I declare the symbol 4 forbidden, and I relabel the next countable position as 5, then when I add 2 and 2 in that labeled system, I point at 5. It feels wrong because I bent the map, not the territory. Try another angle, rounding. If I have two measurements, 2.6 and 2.6, add them and round to the nearest whole number, I get 5. 2.6 plus 2.6, other 5.2, rounded is 5. The exact math says 5.2, but the reporting rule says 5. In the real world, rules about labels, units, precision, rounding can change the answer you write down. Or think modular math. In a clock system mod 10, 7 plus 7, Rishirar 4. Same math rules, different wraparound rule, different result. You can even cook up a system where symbols get remapped so that the mark that used to mean 4 now reads as 5. The trick isn't proving 2 plus 2, 5. It's recognizing that results live inside rules. Here's the mind bender. 2 plus, however, 5 aren't the truth themselves. They're handles for truth. Change the handles, and the sentence can look different while pointing to the same underlying structure. If a country declared, "There is no official 4," and shifted every label up 1, citizens would still have the same number of apples. The receipt would just print a different glyph. Why push this? Because it shows how easy it is to confuse conventions with reality. George Orwell used 2 plus 2 so 5 as a warning. Pressure can make people accept labels over facts. I'm flipping it. Think critically about your labels. Floors without a 4, maps that distort sizes, charts that round aggressively. None of these change the territory, but they can change decisions if you forget the difference. So does 2 plus 2 ever equal 5? Under standard arithmetic, no. Under certain rules about labels, rounding, or representation, you can make it look that way. The real power move is knowing which game you're playing before you trust the scoreboard. If you enjoyed this curious contradiction, drop a thought below. Where have you seen labels bend reality? And next time you ride an elevator from 3 to 5, smile. You just traveled through a world where 4 doesn't exist.